Old Trafford, the home to Manchester United. So that there you can just see the North Stand. Here we have the East Stand where the megastore is located. Manchester United megastore. And there has been a little bit of paintwork around the stadium since I've last been here. But in terms of actual stadium redevelopment, nothing going on at the moment. Have a quick stop in the megastore, I think. The new kit. I do like that goalkeeper kit.
Excuse me, guys. Have you seen Hotel Football?
Oh yeah. Home kits.
Especially because they're sponsored by.
That's the goalkeeper kit, isn't it, mate? That one. It's a nice kit. It's nice. Well, the main reason we're coming here today
is to get a big bar of chocolate.
is to get a big bar of Manchester United chocolate.
So you can eat it.
Where is it? They get brickheads now though. £6, look. For a bar of chocolate. If you want, like, you can even have a hairdryer, that. Straighteners, curling wand, shaver.
Can I get the correct socks?
I've just been ripped off with the chocolate bar. Now it's chucking it down. Now we're approaching the end of the East Stand, and soon you'll see the South Stand and the Munich Tunnel. That's the Munich clock. Look at the top there, you can see all the red paint. Last month when I was here, that paint was sort of like a faded red. There's another memorial for the Munich air disaster as well. So it does look does look better and cleaner, that red, brighter red, but still no expansion of the South Stand yet, or any plans. Here's the South Stand Munich Tunnel, Sir Bobby Charlton Stand. Some Munich air disaster memorials there. No, probably gas. Probably gas. Birth of the Busby Babes. Director's entrance. Well, the S20 entrance where we were last night. We squeeze through this narrow door. Don't understand why they're so narrow. Right, so this is it. This is the end of the South Tunnel, the end of the Munich Tunnel, end of South Stand. Now approaching the world famous Stretford End, the west side, the West Stand. Stretford End. There's the Players Tunnel. Down there, we've got a stadium tour going on at the moment. Players and officials entrance. Yeah, and that red is looking much more vibrant. The Stretford end. So we could walk under the Stretford end. We're going to walk round it. There we go. This is the outside of the Stretford end. This is where you get most of the football chants and everything. This is where it starts. And something new again has been added, which you can probably just see it there on the left. Obviously contributing with the new paint job, they also stuck these stickers on a couple of corners here. The Theatre of Dreams. It wasn't that last night. It wasn't the Theatre of Dreams last night. There we go. So now we're approaching the north stand. This is the corner, the Stretford end and the north stand. And again on the corner here, look, we have some new signage. This one says "Welcome to Old Trafford." So over the past month they've done a few little things, paint jobs, which does look better obviously than the faded red pinky colour it was, and I've added some signage. Now we're approaching the north stand, the best stand, the Sir Alex Ferguson stand. Okay, so this is the north stand, and this is where you can access the Manchester United stadium tour, museum, and the red calf as well. Sir Alex Ferguson, and there is a statue of Sir Alex, the greatest football manager of all time. And there's no real arguments, to be fair. Sir Alex.
What about Bobby?
Museum and tour centre, red calf. Programme box as well to get your football programmes. North stand. And then obviously the north stand now meets the east stand, which we saw earlier. Here's the corner of the north and east stand. And we're back where we started. The east stand, which to be fair is probably the better looking stand on the outside, with a Manchester United sign and Sir Matt Busby, the second greatest Man United manager. This is the best look inside, but inside the best place to sit is obviously the Stretford end, or anywhere near that. Maybe the south stand and the blocks near to the Stretford end. But this does look beautiful. And here's hoping that the stadium will get its upgrade, the upgrade that's needed. And to finish off, the United Trinity. United Trinity. George Best, Bobby Charlton and Dennis Law. Legends. So that's Old Trafford 2022 September.